with from the sales training we got from the game and the accelerator program. In the nutshell, we got to know about only two, three main pointers. That one of the major pointers is the value we can deliver to the client, and second, the way we can approach the client in the initial part of the journey. So that will expedite the entire sales process. So we initialized two, three very small measures. First, we found out what our values are, which drive our clients, and what are the type of clients we want to go after to, and how we can meet those clients in the initial part of their journey. These are the two, three very simple steps we found out, and we implemented these steps by first driving our sales material and our sales correspondence with based on values, and then we made an ideal customer profile and started campaign to reach those customers in the initial part of the journey by direct marketing measures, and that is bringing a positive impact in the customer turnout, and as well as the customers are now appreciating more the values we are giving rather than talking about the price point which we were initially discussing. So that's a change of shift which we are experiencing. Now customers are more interested in the value we are bringing rather than just negotiating prices with us.
Any examples you would want to share?
So she converted a sales last week, so she can share that.
Yes, the thing was that like client was mostly pitching about the price that I'm getting proposal from another client, and there I just pitch with him value like what we have delivered to another clients. So he totally forget about the last what he get from another vendor or else, right? So we just start talking about our thing, like what we can deliver and how we can make his project successful. So with these things, what we have like it totally changed our scenario to look up the jobs, right? Before that, in Upwork, like what we are seeing, the job is coming and we are just posting our proposal and cover letters, right? But now we are thinking about like client stages that we have. I think we have discussed in last conference, last. So here we are analyzing client stage, like where he's on right now, and now we are taking him back on our stage. So identifying buyer stage and seller stage, these are the points. And
what's the thing that you converted, like he mentioned?
Yes, and client was on price war, right? He was discussing each and everything, but on after that he just sent me a proposal of another client that I got, and you can see their portfolio, they are delivering these kinds of experience. It's of real estate project. Then I start to put my value, what I have delivered with proper screenshots, the value screenshots, and the experience we have given, and plus the value that increase another client business. The particular these kinds of thing, and the client got impressed, and he just 2-3 formalities we have completed and project is on board. So
nice.
Like when there is a price war and how we will take back to client to the analysis stage, that is the big thing we have analyzed in that meeting.
And I would also love to know the example that you mentioned, right? That someone took the ownership of all the work that was happening.
Yeah, I conveyed some of the values we got from the clients, that why they appreciated our business and our service. And I communicated those values with our Mohali team, yet to convey into our Ludhiana team. And just after conveying the values, only after 2 or 3 days, we got an email from a client who are with us from last 2 years, but he never sent an email appreciating our work. And just after 3 days, we got an appreciation email, and we were just amazed what made this client to send us email after 2 years. And then when I inquired the guy who was working for that client, he said, I just listened to the values and I thought, okay, let me start delivering the value consciously. He said, I started being more responsive. I started giving more suggestions and solutions whenever client come up with a task or a job. And then he said, I just started looking onto the quality aspect more rather than relying on the QA person. And he said just after 3 days, the client realized that there was something change going on from what he was experiencing in last 2 years. So yeah, now the clients are also feeling the change which we are trying to bring.
So whatever you're learning in Accelerator, you're also conveying it to your entire team,
yes.
and they are with you on the
And
journey.
even we are planning like for the next target that we want to give our SEAL team target-wise growth, not on monetary target, but how they can reach out the clients,
Hmm.
proper ideal clients we can
Right.
say.
Yeah.
So just forget about the like revenue, work history, these kind of what value we can deliver.
Right.
These things. So we are trying to build up sales team like that. How we can deliver our value and our proposal, or even it's on any portal or like sales, direct sales guidance. Even we are starting direct sales, these kind of thing, data
That never
mining, because
used to
before that
happen earlier.
we are not doing these kinds of stuff,
Right.
right? Now our main analysis is to like how to see our client business,
Right.
end user. The main thing we have learned how to reach out, how to understand end user
Right.
requirements. So our client, there are end client and their another clients.
Right.
So from data mining, direct sales, we're just trying to see how they look up to their
Right.
clients.